Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Mawada. My number name 187205011. I study at Pancasakti University Faculty of Economics. Baik, di sini saya akan membacakan naratif teks dari mata kuliah Bahasa Inggris dengan dosen pengampu Mr. Karyadi MM. The origin of Surabaya. Once upon a time, in the northern part of East Java, there lived a scary giant crocodile. He was the ruler of the river and a predator who was feared by all the animals in the forest near the river. The name of the crocodile was Baya. He was very good at hunting, so all of the animals in the jungle were afraid of him. Baya lived in a river in the sea. There lived a whale shark named Shura. He rose the sea, and every fish were scared of him. However, Shura felt bored because he ate fish every day. He was curious about the river near the sea. One day, he decided to go to the river. At the side of the river, there was a deer that was drinking water. Shura felt hungry, so he swam silently to the edge and jumped out to catch the deer. Shura was happy to get such delicious food. After eating the deer, Shura became addicted. The next day, he hunted back on the river and got a lot of food. After a couple of days, Baya became suspicious because it was harder and harder for him to find prey. He started investigating what was happening. When Baya saw Shura catch a little monkey in the river, Baya became angry. "Hey Shura, what are you doing here? This is my territory. How dare you snatch my prey?" Shura was not afraid of Baya. He challenged Baya to fight. "Hey, I can look for food anywhere I want. It's not just your territory here. All animals are free to look for food here." Finally, a fight could not be avoided, and the fight began because both of them were strong. The fight was very long. For days, all of the animals in the forest were disturbed by the fight. They could sleep. Finally, the two wild animals were exhausted. No one won and no one lost because both of them were equally strong. Should we better end this fight? I'm too tired. So am I, Baya? Okay, let's end this battle. Shura is we need to limit our hunting area. The end of the river is the limit. Don't you break the line, or you will feel the consequences. Okay, Baya, I accept this agreement. Shura finally left the river and returned to the sea. For months, the forest calmed down. There were no fight between Shura and Baya, but Shura felt unique. He longed to eat deer meat like before. There were a lot of fish in the sea, but it was enough for him. He could bear it so quickly. He swam toward the mouth of the river. If I look for prey near the river's mouth, Baya won't know because he lives farther up the river. Unfortunately, no prey approached the mouth of the river. Shura was tired of waiting. Finally, he swam up the river toward the forest. Shura wanted to go back to the jungle again. This time, he will be careful not to be caught by Baya. I will catch the prey and immediately bring it out to sea so Baya won't see me. The plan was successful, and 4 months Shura hunted in the river without being discovered. Over time, Baya became suspicious because again his prey was reduced. But this time he did see Shura on the river, but he believed this was Shura doing. This must be Shura. Watch out Shura. Then Baya prepared plan. Baya found a deer, but did catch him right away. Instead, he hurt the deer's leg, so he could run away. The deer was splashed on the edge of the river. Then Baya hid. A short time later, Shura swam up the river and saw the injured deer. He felt excited because the deer was fat. Wow, lucky me! Today I'll have a feast. Na 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 na. Just as he was about to bring the deer to the sea, suddenly Baya confronted him. Hey, you sure are stubborn and shameless, Shura. How greedy are you? Imagine the fish in the sea are abundant, but you are still hunting in my area. Hey Baya, if you want, you can hunt in the sea. I don't forbid you. I don't like fish, and I especially can't stand the sea water. Well, it's okay if you don't want it. At least I have offered it to you. Shura and Shura legally enraged the deer to the sea. Baya got angry, then attacked Shura. Hey, where do you think you're bringing that deer to the sea? I'll eat it there. Bring the deer here. I cooked it to trap you. Well, it's your fault you did eat the deer yourself. You forgot our agreement. This river is my territory. Hey, if there is water, there is me. This agreement is ridiculous. Okay, then our agreement is cancelled. Now the strongest one has the right to rule this area. Finally, by attack Shura, a fight could be prevented. This time it was even more exciting. No wonder to approach the area of the fight. Yeah, girl, Shura always dodged hit attacks, and Baya became annoyed. When Shura was off guard, Baya managed to beat his tail. Watch my tail. Shura did not want to lose. Both of them were in pain and seriously injured. However, Baya did not despair. He continued to beat until Shura's tail was cut off. Shura was in so much pain. He ran away, leaving Baya towards the sea. Since then, Shura has not dared to approach the river, and since he no longer had a tail, he can't swim as hard as he once had. It's so painful. Oh my! To commemorate the first fight, the area where the two animals fought was called Surabaya, and the name remains to this day.